Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and well, thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. We actually finally hit that. But in my past videos, you guys have probably seen that my exhaust kind of smokes a lot, or you got a lot of smoke coming out of my exhaust. And there's a lot of comments referring to that. And well, the short answer is it's just a bunch of like oils and whatever, just kind of like burning up and making all that, you know, smoke, and it kind of happens over time with your Subaru. So we actually have a fix for that. We got Matthew here playing with Uzi over there. But the fix here is the Perrin Turbo Sump, and this is pretty much all that comes in it. I mean, apparently this install's like super easy, but knowing us, it's probably gonna end up being super hard. So basically, these are the instructions. We are going to cut a hose here and install with the arrow pointing up. Alright guys, I'm gonna have Matthew move the car in. Go ahead. I mean, he knows how to drive stick. I've taught him, but I mean, I have confidence. He got it. He got it. Oh shit. Remember the secret, you gotta pause. Holy shit. It's in. And the turbo sump is right here. It's this hose right here. Ow! Fuck, that's hot. God damn. Is it that one? Never mind, I'm wrong. It's this one. Never mind, I'm wrong. What? Oh yeah, it is that one. A lot of people say to remove this radiator fan right here, so you have a lot more space. Yeah, like I said, guys, it's been a while since I picked up the camera. Got a lot more parts coming in. They're just taking a long time. They're back ordered and everything. So, but yeah, got a mod for today for you guys. And like I said, more stuff coming in. Literally everything is just taking a long time to come in. So I'm also broke too. So this is all we got to install in the car. This is basically it, the Perrin Turbo Sump right here. And it basically just comes out of that hose line out of your engine that I just showed you guys. And we're just gonna cut off like an inch or inch and a half. Throw this in there and then throw some of these clamps on, and then that should be it. Because I'm basically tired of all the white smoke that comes out of my exhaust. And a lot of people have asked me like whether like I'm just burning a bunch of oil, or is my head gasket blowing out. But it actually ends up just being something that just normally happens with these WXs here. So this actually creates kind of like a suction or vacuum within the kind of like turbo chamber down there, and it just kind of alleviates a lot of that smoke. So that's basically it. So we're just gonna remove this radiator fan here, and then we're gonna get fuck me, I can't speak. We're gonna move this radiator fan, and then we're gonna access the hose right there. It's pretty hot, so we might wait for this thing to cool down a little bit, but we can get this radiator fan out the way. Alright guys, we finally got it off. Alright, now we have to cut like an inch, like right there.
Cut it like right at where the mesh started. Yeah.
Alright guys, so on that little tube here, we're gonna need to cut an inch from the top. I don't know how I'm gonna reach that. Jesus.
Somewhere right here. Dude, these scissors suck. I broke the scissors.
No way. Alright guys, finally cut. Now we're gonna install this. I got the P pointing up as an arrow here that tells you which way to go. So this part's gonna go up front. This extra hole here, which we plugged up, is actually, if it'll focus, is actually meant for the Perrin air oil separator. It's right there. It's actually for the for the Perrin air oil separator, that part right there. So make sure this P logo is going up into your tube, and then yep, we're gonna put the hose clamp on first. Alright guys, we got it in. It kind of sits just like that, and then we're gonna tighten the hose clamps there. And Perrin says that this should reduce the smoke coming out of your exhaust by 90%. So let's see if it actually does that. Then that's it. Let's start the car. If it blows up, something went wrong. Oh yeah, okay, right off the bat I can tell there is way less smoke coming out of my exhaust. And Obviously, like even like during, not just because it's cold you can see smoke, but like even just during like normal daytime or just when it's warmer weather, smoke would usually be coming out of my exhaust, but it's actually gone like immediately almost. I actually don't see anything. Yeah, there is no smoke. That's actually pretty instant. Let's check how the turbo sump's doing over here. Yeah, it looks pretty solid. It is, guys, Perrin Turbo Sump Restrictor for your WRX. Yeah, my exhaust is usually still smoking at this point, but there's really no smoke, virtually no smoke right now. So I guess it pretty much works. Well, I'm starting to get some smokage now, but we'll see if that clears up in a little bit. Alright, y'all, so I drove it out to the you know, normal spot that we're normally at here to record videos. Guy was just staring at me and just drove by and just talked me down. After driving here, there is no smoke usually coming out. Usually I'll be able to see smoke, like I said before, and I'm sorry if it's windy because I mean, it was right, it's pretty windy, but there is no smoke, and it works. I was kind of skeptical about it. I thought it really wasn't gonna work at first, but turns out it does. Yeah, guys, new video. It's pretty windy, like I said before, sorry. But anyway, so if you guys enjoyed the video, thank you guys for all the support. 2,000 subscribers, and we're rapidly growing, and that's a dream come true. I never thought I would actually even hit 2,000 subscribers. It's actually crazy to say that, 2,000. That's insane. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching videos and for all the support. Appreciate it. Later, guys. What the